Welcome back, guys, to my series of becoming a pro YouTuber. Sorry. And today I'm making a video how to get all of the swords. Yeah, all of the swords. Not the boss swords, but all of the swords you can buy. So brace yourself for your money and let's start. The first is the pop cut. So come right, follow me or follow me. Go to PopCut and click on him, or you can use auto clicker if you want. I used auto clicker, so it's very easy when you use auto clicker. Then if you did that, go to PvP Arena and follow me. Then go to Ohio PopCut and buy it from him. Now, now next is the now next is the Bonk. Yes, a bonkador. It's at Mr. Beast Island, so not my that. Mr. Beast Island. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm holding my mic off and I'm using my phone. Okay. Here's me, man. When you spawn there, just go straight and go to me, man. So to get the 5 money bags, you need to defeat Mr. Beast. Yes, Mr. Beast, the real Mr. Beast. Wait. You actually need to oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so... Please just like and subscribe so I can buy a new mic because I cannot hold it when I was using a phone. So here's Mr. Beast. He has a he has a 50% drop rate for the bundle. And here's Mr. Beast, by the way. And next is the card. Don't mind that. I forgot. You can also get it here. Wait, oh my god. There. You can also get it here. Wait. There. It's at the raid. Just wait. I'm struggling to control my phone. It's right here. You can get it from raid right here. Wait. And in the raid, you have to kill the Uno boss at wave 10. Wait, I'm at wave 10. To get the Uno card, its drop rate is 10%. And oh my god. And next Next is the Pix. What its name again? I forgot. My God, I forgot. Forgot. Yeah, Floppa. Floppa. The Floppa. Okay. How how to get the Floppa? This is the this is the first sword that you get in the game. Just look. Just follow me. Go to Floppa Island. Go to Floppa Island and follow me. I forgot other this. Oh, noobs are here. Oh, ow, 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 ow. So you took the cool Floppa. You need to kick the lava Floppa 1000 times and you get the weapon. And you get money too. So this is the easiest. This is way. Oh my god. When you have. Oh my god. When you have. Auto clicker. It's easy. And next, the yellow. I mean, flame of katana. How to get the flame katana? Just wait. Oh my god. Get the flame katana. Need to go to Walter Dog's home. You need to go Walter Dog's home and talk to this guy. You can get the Chim's Cola from Walter Dog for a flame katana. And next, the hanger. It's easy to find, but I forgot where is it because I don't play this game now a long time. But it's right here. They put these two statues because it's easy now to find. They already put the statues, and when you go in, the hanger. You can interact with it. It's not the most powerful weapon. And next is the most hardest one. Yellow blade. Yep, yellow blade. And oh, I mean, yeah, yellow blade. You tried to hit me. AFK, bro. You're not AFK now. Okay. So I was about to say is the most one in here. So once I said like how to spawn this boss. What's the name of this boss again? Evil Noob. To spawn Evil Noob, wait. Go to Moe Island and go to the boss. The Moe boss. And you actually get his. Oh my god, I hit him.